Hello everyone, today we will see a bubble sorting using Python. Let's start. Using Python. Let's create a list which we have to sort. Enter an element. Now start with the for loop. -1. Here we compare two elements, first and second. If the first element is greater than second, we will swap those two elements. Let's compare first two elements, j plus 1. If first element is greater than second, then they will swap. Let's create a swapping aj. Now we're done with bubble sort. Print the sorted list. Done. Run the program. Here we have bubble sorted the list A. Thank you.